So close and yet so far. It's, oh goodness, it's kind of a heartbreaking day because I thought this was going to be almost done today. And then my guy who does the RV work, he had worked on it on Sunday morning, and um, then he had left and he said that he was going to be calling me later. And I wasn't real sure what that was about, but I didn't get the phone call. And he had planned on coming here this evening to continue on it. He was going to work on it through the week, and hopefully by the weekend, this shower would be in. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's still very vacant. And so it's totally ready for a new shower install or replacement. And so the floor is where it's going to be. That's going to be height with the pan that came with the kit. And so there was a kit that would fit right in this area perfectly. Well, not so perfectly, unfortunately. The walls here actually 39 on that wall, 39 inches there, and that we have to be trimmed to match as much as possible. So the choices are 38 by 38 or 40 by 40. 40 by 40 is not going to work. And so the 38 by 38 is what I had ordered. It would be 38, 38, and then of course the different dimensions here. But unfortunately, and it would have had glass on this side, glass on this side. It could have fit in there, cut out some of the wall here. So you definitely have a little window, maybe make a little modification on this wall because of the door and so on. That was the plan. But unfortunately, when uh, he came back today, he showed me and explained to me that yes, these walls, the replacement would be too high, but that could be cut down. That would be okay. But these, because they would be glass, it was too tall. And maybe there could have been some modification there, but it just unfortunately would not work. And that was very sad. So, what was here a couple of days ago taking up that space is now gone. Had to return it today. So, that's disappointing. The thing is that it still have the basic here, which is okay. So, getting the same type of floor pan for this shower pan, it's going to have the, oh gosh, I can't remember the phraseology for it, but it will fit this pattern on the floor, and then we'll have to customize the what goes on the wall, on those walls, the inside walls here, and then there will be this will have a shower curtain instead of a door, which is totally fine with me. I have no problem with that. It's just disappointing that this didn't quite go the way it had planned, and that it's going to be put off for a while. It's going to take another week for the floor pan to get in here, the shower pan to arrive, and then have to get the walls, which they did have at Lowe's, and they had 4x8s there, which could be cut down, which would be great because it could be very custom as far as that goes. Um, in the corner wouldn't have that little unit that was with the shower kit that would allow for like shampoos and so on. But there are plenty of other products that can be ordered for it. But I just thought I'd go ahead and record this because in the process of thinking that this was going to be done, it's not yet. It's going to have to be a little bit more customized. There's not going to have to be a lot of plumbing modification, fortunately, a little bit. Some change in fittings and so on. Where the drain is, in the shower pan, it's back in the corner. When the tub and everything was in here, the drain was over, well, where the cat litter is sitting right now. And so a little more work, a little more time, but it is going to get worked out. Now it's going to be just much more custom for this particular little home. Hope you will like these videos and follow me, and hit that notification button so that you can see future videos. There's still more things that are going to happen with this bathroom, but other areas in the little home too. Oh, out of breath. This is a necessary thing to be done because with the SPMS, I can't step over a big tub. And this is going to be very nice. And if somewhere down the road I have to sell the RV, I think it's going to actually be something that will be a selling point for many people. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. See you later.